Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys. You guys. Hello, my loves. So I have a little haul here. I did a huge giant haul recently. And while I was doing that haul, I got a whole bunch of packages in, but that video was getting a little bit long. So I decided to just do a separate haul. Some of these are things that I ordered from Black Friday. Sorry, I'm swinging scissors around. Not safe. I really did hit something. Some of these packages are from Black Friday. I have a package from Daily Charme. I didn't open them before this video because there's not that many. So I figured we just kind of hang out together, see what I got. If there's anything you want to see tutorials on, comment below. All right. So the first one here, one of my favorite nail art companies, Daily Charme. You always got to be super careful when you cut open nail packages because you will cut open something. One time I got this really expensive nail brush and I was opening it and I cut through like the bristles on the nail brush and I was super bummed because it was so cute. This is just a small Daily Charme package from their Black Friday sales. I have almost everything that Daily Charme sells on their website and they have a ton of nail art. So I'm running out of stuff to buy, but when I saw the Black Friday sale, I couldn't resist because their glitters were, I think like 50% off or something. So I was like, time to refill. So I'm just dumping this out. Ah!
Oopsie doopsie.
So I got a couple chrome flakes. It looks like I got 2 chrome flakes. One is metallic chrome flake silver chunky. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, look at that. Who wants that on their nails?
I do.
Okay. And then I got a silver chunky as well. I don't know if you could see that pink. But Daily Charme has amazing chromes. So I believe I'm going to do a video of my favorite chromes and give you guys some recommendations. So you will see those in a video coming up soon. Chrome is a super big hit right now. It's very easy to use if applied correctly. And then, of course, I got some flakes. So I got Mermaid Flakes, Ariel. And for those of you who don't know what flakes are, they're iridescent flakes that give off a ton of different colors. They look different on black. The color will change to like blues and purples. They look different on every color. A lot of people use them in clear nails to give you that shattered glass or snowflake vibe, but they're gorgeous and super popular right now. Everyone loves flakes. I got Aquata. So you can see the difference. So you can see this is more purple, this is more green. See how this is Andrina. So these are very pretty. I love flakes. I go through a lot of flakes. And then, of course, I got my Swarovskis, crystals, Swarovski crystals, which the shine will last until you come back 2, 3, or 4 weeks from now. So what did I get? Oh, it actually doesn't say on it. Okay. I believe these are SS5 clear crystal. I think these are clear crystal. SS3. So I got SS3, SS5, and SS7 to refill my clear crystal. That makes sense because I know that I would have ordered those. So that's what I got from Daily Charme. I got 4 flakes, 2 chromes, and then 3 packages of Swarovskis. Then I got this package here from, it doesn't say, which means it came from China. All right, so this is probably Aliexpress. So super careful opening. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I like this. I love geometric like shapes for nails. Love them. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. Okay. So when you stamp, you always take off this blue, right? Make sure you do that. And these are some fun little stamps for nails. I really like these. I've seen a lot of nail art with these like geometric, fun, swirly things. So I'm definitely going to be doing a set of these. You know, you could also do these with spider gel very easily. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on that. So if you don't have the nail stamper, it doesn't mean you can't have designs like this. You can use spider gel. So that was Aliexpress. What else do I got? There's one that I've actually really been looking forward to. And this, is this from the company I think it's from? Okay, this is not the package that I think it is, but that's okay. This, I had to get because they were having a huge Black Friday sale. Huge Black Friday sale. So I thought this was actually my Nail Couture package. So I'm a little bummed out about that because I got this shipping notification a long time ago. And I was really surprised because sometimes it takes like 5 or 6 months to get to you. So I order things that I know I'm going to need in advance. But like 5 days after I ordered it, I got the shipping notification, but I haven't received the package yet. And that shipping notification was over a week ago, which is why I thought this was my Nail Couture box. Kind of weird. Okay, so they pack this. That's kind of a waste. I think I can use, oh, it's cut in half. I can't use them. Okay, that was a waste. So what did I get from iGel Beauty? All right, here's the packing slip. So does this have any prices? Unfortunately, this doesn't have prices, but I'll tell you the prices that I can remember. Some of this stuff I got really good deal on. Okay, so to start, I'll go right here. I got some drill bits, which I love bits. Bits and brush, those are my two things. I love grabbing a new drill bit. There's nothing better than working with a new bit, as long as it's a good bit. If I grab a junk bit or buy a junk bit and I start using it, it will come out of my drill within seconds. As soon as I lay it down the nail, if it is not doing what I need it to do, it's out of my drill and I will not use it again. When I'm taking nails off or debulking, I want to get it done quick. My clients don't want to stay here forever. All right. So I got my favorite bits. This is a cuticle bit. Gorgeous. I got an under nail bit. Gorgeous. And I haven't tried iGel's bits before, so I'll let you guys know how they are. I got a safety carbide bit. So when you see the rounded top, it's so that you don't cut your clients. The ones that have a flat top are very, very, very sharp. And they're so sharp that when you cut your client, they're not even going to feel it, but it's going to start bleeding. I got a mandrel. And I got, of course, I got another cuticle bit. I can't have too many of these. I love them. They make my cuticles, or my clients' cuticles, look like fake mannequin hands. Cuticles and what your nails look like around the cuticles really are how you tell a great nail tech versus a up-and-coming nail tech or a newer nail tech. Those cuticles really matter. Okay, what else did I get? I got, oh, I think this is my free gift. Okay, so iGel Beauty did a whole bunch of free gifts for Black Friday where you spend this amount, you get something free and so forth. This is not my free gift. I'm a liar, but I do have a free gift in here, or I should. Oh my God. Oh, I only got one of these. I should have got all of them. You guys, okay. So this is called Brave Night. This is one of their pearl gel colors. Oh my God, you guys, watch this. Oh my God. I have to see what this looks like on black. I have to see what it looks like on black right now. Right now. Okay, I'm swatching this. I just can't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys. You guys, I'm ordering all of these. I can't even. How gorgeous is that? Oh my God. OMG. Okay, so this is their pearl. Oh my God, I'm going back on the website. Pearl gel color. OMG. This is called Brave Night. I think they had a whole collection, but I just wanted to try one because on the website, they looked all very similar to me. Get these! Oh my God, they're gorgeous, and I'm gonna be ordering all of them, and I'm totally gonna be doing a review. Guys, we have to do a second coat. This is beautiful, and I wonder what it will look like on different colors. Look at the second coat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, if you're wearing this, look at that. Come on. Come on, Anne. This is gorgeous. If I wasn't in the middle of this video and you guys didn't mean so much to me, I'd be like, BRB, I'm going to order that. Okay, and then I wanted to get some neutrals that I felt like I didn't already have. Neutrals are really big in the winter. It's called Nude Bar. It's the gel and the liqueur. It's a peachy nude. I got this color, which is a muted, it's called Trendy. It's a mute. When I saw this deal, 60% off, I had to get them. And I figured if I keep them like hidden in my salon somewhere and someone asks for a very specific nude color or what have you, I'll have it, or working with nail art or who knows. But this deal for a professional brand, 60% off, I just couldn't pass up. And there are some colors that I feel like I need more of. And those are these nudes. So I got two more nudes. This one's beautiful. This one called Cream Royale. I don't know if you can see, but it's got like a pearl finish in there. I'm soy into you. SOY, I'm soy into you. That's cute. Actually, these colors are very similar. I probably could have gotten another one. Ooh, I love this. This is Caramel Macchiato. How pretty is that? This is pretty too. This is a muted pink called Piglet. That's very pretty. This will be a popular color. Fashion Avenue. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, when you're ordering from the iGel website, the colors on the website are not true to what you get in this box. So while I'm very happy with these colors, in my mind, Fashion Avenue looked totally different. But this will be used. This will be a big spring and summer color. You can see these are all, like, with the exception of Fashion Avenue, very muted colors, which are big in the winter and fall. And then, of course, I got black, because I've never used this gel polish before, and I tried black from every company, black and white. I didn't get this white, though. I just got the black. And this is Corduroy. Very pretty. So you can see I grabbed all nudes. I got one more box in here. Oh, wait, did I do it? I did it, you guys. Did I do it? Here's my free item. I got the top coat. All right, so it looks like I got one more of the ones I really like. This one is Mythic Forest. Oh, someone's calling the salon. All right, guys, so sorry, I'm back. Okay, so I got Mythic Forest, which I'm really excited about. Oh my God, you guys, this actually looks blue, but then it like looks green. Wow. See how it looks blue? Oh, you guys can't see. So, oh, there you go. Bam. Check that out. How beautiful is that? This is Mythic Forest. So I'm going to have to get the rest of those. I have Brave Night and Mythic Forest, but people are going to go crazy. Got Pinwheel, which is a 3D cat eye gel polish. I got Sombrero, another 3D cat eye gel polish. These are the cat eyes that have the glitter in them. I got Starburst, another 3D cat eye gel polish. I got Milky Way. So very pretty. I'm really excited about these, you guys. Hey guys, it's Angela from the future. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like nail content and tutorials, you should definitely think about subscribing. Back to the video. So just a reminder, if you guys want to pick these up, it's iGel Beauty. I'll link below, and I'll actually link this exact collection. It's the Pearl Gel color. And I think it was a collection of 10, maybe 9. I don't know. But this is Mythic Forest and Brave Night. I kind of want to show them to you guys next to each other. So I'm just going to throw that top coat on. Bam, chicka, bam. So they had, for Black Friday, like that week, they had different deals every day. So I bought glitter one day. I bought polishes another day. But that's why they're all in separate packages. So this is what it comes like. Oh, okay. I forgot about this. This is what I got. So the WhatsApp right here. These are stamping polishes. And then this looks like it's a collection. Oh, it's, okay. Cool. So I got Lilac Mirror Chrome. Oh my God, you guys, I've been wanting that. I have every one of their chromes except the lilac. I don't know if you can see the color there. Then I got Stardust Amethyst. So this is change colors when it goes on black or another color. Similar to the gel polishes I just showed you. Then I have Stardust Emerald. So I'm sure that's a green. And Stardust Sapphire. So beautiful, you guys. And then I got 3 stamping polishes. I've never used this brand for stamping polishes before. This is called Cloud Canvas. From the pictures, they showed up very, very well on black. And I always love a good stamping polish that's very pigmented when it goes on to black. This color is Nip It in the Bud. This is why I actually got it. This yellow from the pictures showed up really good on black. So I'll test it and let you guys know. It's called Fab Cab. There's one more package down here. I think it's my trash can for this salon. I just bought a new trash can. But I gotta let you guys go. So I'll thank y'all so much for watching this haul video. And I will check y'all later. Bye. Hey everyone, thanks for hanging out with me today. It was a blast. If you like this video and want to see more nail content, don't forget to subscribe. And you can check me out on the other social media platforms at Gloss Nails by Angela. Bye.